911. What's the location of the emergency?
Hi, where's he at the beach? Somebody got electrocuted by lightning.
Stay on the phone with me.
How old is he? He's 14.
Okay, and is he awake?
He's not breathing. They're trying to do CPR on him.
Lord, I thank you so much for Jacob. I thank you for the plan that you have for his life. I thank you for the restoration that's already in process, God, and for every single person who's had a hand in it.
We come out there, we help, the community comes together.
And Lord, I thank you so much for his courage, for his willingness to continue, God, and just the indomitable spirit that you've given him. Thank you for the testimony that you've given him and the way he's going to witness to so many people